In the former Taliban stronghold of the town of Shoval in Helmand Province, an Afghan soldier climbs up a 60-foot disused crane and raises the Afghan national flag. Before raising the flag, Private Aziz Watansod had cut down the white standard of the Taliban, which at once fluttered proudly from atop the crane. The raising of the flag is seen as a small step towards victory for the US-led coalition, and the Afghan Army General Sher Mohammad, is optimistic about the developments made by Operation Mushtarak.
زمن زړور کمانډویان او زمون د ملي اردو ایساف ځواکونه خپل تصفیوي عملیاتو ته په چټکۍ سره دوام ورکوي. ان شاء الله لري بنوي چې تاسو به د دې زیری واورئ چې مارجه د مخالفینو د وجود څخه کاملا پاکه شوې.
Regardless of the optimism, civilians have already been affected by the assault. 12 people, including 6 children, died in an artillery strike on Sunday when a missile launched by ISAF forces missed its target.
We are requesting both parties of this conflict, be it the Taliban, be it the international forces and Afghan forces, that they make the protection of civilians their prime concern and their prime objective.
However, 3 locals were killed in separate incidents last night. One of the dead was caught in crossfire, while the other 2 approached soldiers who feared they were insurgents. Since Monday, Marine units have tried twice to reach a bazaar in Marjah, only to be pushed back by heavy resistance. Heavy gunfire, snipers and booby traps from the Taliban are causing the offensive to slow down to a sluggish pace. The highly publicized offensive in Majrah is a major test of Barack Obama's strategy in Afghanistan. It also represents the first important trial for Afghan President Hamid Karzai and his fledgling Afghan army. With Operation Mushtarak being the second largest offensive ever to take place in Afghanistan since the War of Terror began in 2001, it seems that this ambitious campaign to seize insurgent-held areas ahead of a planned 2011 troop drawdown could drag on for weeks. Sophia Sefi, Dawn News.